Let's see how you can invite people to sign your document digitally in just a few simple steps. To begin, upload a document from your device and open it in the SignNow editor. In the new window, add recipients that need to fill out, sign, or view your document. In our case, the document has 2 recipients who need to fill out and sign it successively. Next, you need to add fillable fields to your document and assign these fields to your recipients. Specify whether these fields are required or optional and click Continue to proceed with the invite. In the new window, specify how you'd like your recipients to receive your documents, all at once or in a specific order. Additionally, you can customize the invite message, configure authentication settings, and so on. Once all is set, send your invite. This is what the signing process looks like on the signer's side. Upon opening the document, the recipient adds their signature and fills out the required fields. Once completed, the document is automatically sent back to the owner, who fills it out accordingly. And that's it. Our 2-party NDA has been successfully signed. Check out our other tutorials to see how you can sign documents online, generate agreements, negotiate contracts, and accept payments with legally binding electronic signatures.